Hi guys, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Arina and I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my top favorite everyday lip color. So this time around, more affordable than the drugstore. So if you want to know what they are, just keep on watching. So right now, I have nothing on my lips. I just have like some foundation on the outer perimeters of my lips. And in front of me, I have 40 liquid lipsticks. I can't narrow them down because some of the shades are overlap, so you can have more than one option. And let's jump into the swatches. Okay, I'm gonna swatch them randomly. First shade is from the lip clay. I found another formula that are similar to this that I will talk about later. So this one is in the shade 102. So this is the shade 102. It's a pretty nude peach shade. If you have a lighter skin tone than me, this shade will look so lovely on you. But on me, I can get away with this color. I don't mind wearing it without lip liner because I sometimes am very lazy to apply lip liner on my lips. And I honestly will say that this color won't suit darker skin tone, but I have other options that will suit darker skin tone. And this is in the shade 102 from the Focallure lip clay. Okay, the next shade is from Pinkflash. This is in the shade N06. This is from one of their newest lip color edition. Okay, this is the shade N06. I'm gonna wait until it is fully dry. If you love liquid lipstick that has a matte finish but you don't like the feeling of the liquid lipstick dry out your lips, I will highly suggest you to try Pinkflash. But you want to do like a spot test first on your skin to see whether you have a reaction towards this liquid lipstick. If you don't have a reaction towards this liquid lipstick is very comfortable. It has that matte finish, it is transfer proof, and yeah, it feels very lightweight on the skin. Okay, the next shade is from the Focallure lip clay. It is in the shade 003. Okay, this is in the shade 003. If I have a very warm eye look, this is the color that I will definitely grab for. But it's very pretty on a daily, even with a simple eye look that I have on right now. This one will like brighten up the face and it will add color to the look. Yeah, this is again in shade 003 from Focallure lip clay. The next shade is from the Focallure Super Velvet Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade 001. This is one of the newest releases from Focallure. This color is similar to the previous one that I have swatched, but this one is slightly brighter, but it still is wearable for me. And in terms of the formula, the lip clay one has a moussey and also like cloudy formula. This one is a bit slippery and slidey, but it still is comfortable to wear. This is in the shade 001 from the Focallure Super Velvet. The next shade is Focallure lip clay in the shade 000. Okay, this is the Focallure 000. If you notice, I did group this liquid lipstick based on their tones. So this is like the least brightest shade from the like orangey tones, and this is in the shade 000 from Focallure lip clay. The next shade is from Focallure as well, 105. Perfect Mlbb for me. Yeah, it's very pretty. It will match any eye look that I have on. And this is in the shade 105 and definitely will suit a lot of skin tone. And the next shade is from QIBEST, finally a different brand. I did swatch all of the shades from this collection. This is QIBEST. I think the name is like chocolate something, and the formula is very good. It's similar to the Focallure lip clay. This one has a little bit more slip to it. yeah, it still is warm, as you can tell. I think if you notice, it's similar to one of the shades from Focallure. I also did a comparison in that video. You can click up here to watch it. And this is in the shade 606. Okay, now we're jumping into a different tone. It's a chocolatey brownie tone, but it's like a muted version. So the first one is the Focallure Super Velvet Lip Color, and this is in the shade 104. And this is my favorite shade from the Super Velvet collection. This is also a beautiful Mlbb shade for me. It's a brown tone. If you have a lighter skin tone than me, this one will also suit your skin tone as well. And this is again in the shade 104 from the Focallure Super Velvet Liquid Lipstick. The next shade is from QIBEST 603 Dry Martini. This shade is a touch lighter from the previous shade. I love a lighter tone lip color like this. This is like a borderline light on me. I will share with you guys the more pinkier version that has a similar opacity, similar like color saturation like this one. I don't know how to explain it, but I really love to wear a light color like this, light lip color like this. And this is again in the shade 603 from the QIBEST liquid lipstick. Okay, the next shade is from Focallure Lip Clay, and this is in the shade 106. And this is the shade 106. I think I wear this shade the most. Like if I don't know what lip color to wear on that day, I will like reach for this shade often because I can see that I have little amount left in the tube. And this one is similar to the QIBEST one, the Dry Martini shade, but like I said, the QIBEST one has a little bit more slip to it, whereas this one is matte but it won't dry the lips. And this is in the shade 106 from the Focallure Lip Clay. And the next shade from Focallure Lip Clay is in the shade 101. Okay, this is the shade 101. Maybe if you have similar skin tone to mine, you may find that this tone will like make your skin look dull, but it really depends on your preference. This is just my opinion. And this is again in the shade 101. Okay, the next lip color is from Pinkflash, and this is in the shade N05. I think N stands for nude or natural, and the one thing that I dislike about this lip range is that the scent is very like chemically, and this is again in the shade N05. This shade is not too warm, it's definitely not light, it's not too pink and not too warm, it's in between those colors. So yeah, this is how it looks on my lips. Okay, we only left with two shades, and the first one is 103. And I think this last two shade has like a pinkier undertone, so if you dislike orangey or warm tone liquid lipstick, this is like the option you can try. This is in the shade 103, and this is again the shade 103, and this is how it looks like on my lips. Honestly, this is very light on me. You either hate or love this type of shade if you have a medium skin tone. For me, I don't mind it and still will wear it. Finally, my favorite everyday lip color is from the Pinkflash, is in the shade N03. And this is in the shade N03, and this is how it looks like on my lips. It's such a pretty shade. It's not too light and definitely not dark. So yeah, this shade will suit till medium skin tone. Of course, it will suit a lighter skin tone. So that's it for today's video. I did touch on the formula a bit for each lip product. If you wish to watch my full review, you can click up here, or I will link all the videos in my description box. I did swatch all the shades from the Pinkflash line, from the Focallure Lip Clay as well, and from QIBEST, and I did swatch a few shades from the Super Velvet Focallure liquid lipstick. So every video, so all the 4 videos I will link in the description box below. I hope today's video is helpful and you find it interesting. Everything is affordable, everything is below RM10 or even below RM7, I would say. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I appreciate it if you can subscribe, because I do a lot of makeup tutorial, reviews, hauls, lip swatches and reviews. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I hope I see you guys in my next one. Bye. Assalamualaikum.